Alright guys, today we are talking about Ameta drones. We got the S50 Lite. This is their new flagship model with a 4K camera. It is sub 250 grams, so you do not need to register this drone. It's got a lot of different features and functions, and we're going to check some of those out. But first we're going to unbox it to see what you get, and then we're going to take it outside and perform a flight so you can see what kind of quality you can expect from this camera drone. Alright, so this is what the box looks like. It is a 4K drone. I believe it's 38 megapixels. 500 meter flight distance, brushless motors, return to home. It does have all your auto modes that you've come to expect and to love, but let's get into it. I did in the Ameta Drone a while ago. I expected it to be kind of cheesy, to be honest, but once I actually tested it, the footage actually surprised me, and it was in a model that cost the about half the price of this one. So I really have high hopes for this. I really expect it to do quite well. Ameta drones, I think you're going to see on the rise, because for what you pay for their drones, you do get nice quality. Here is the little drone itself. It does have the camera guard on it, just like that. There's your little drone. The drone does have a gimbal on it. We'll check the functions of that. When we open it up here, you can see how it unfolds, just like so. So very cool, very nice looking little drone, super light. Down here is the controller, and this is what your controller is going to look like. You have your antennas on top. You also have your flip up phone holder as well. You do have some flip down grips here on the bottom, just like so, just to make it easier to hold in your hands, to give you those extra grips. That's a very nice feature. You'll have your manual or your book. You do get 2 batteries. Each battery will give you 25 minutes of flight time, so you will get a total of 50 minutes with the provided batteries. They do have the little charge indicators on there as well. So you get 2 of those. You get a strap for your case, some other accessories, like in here you have an extra set of propellers, you have your charge cord, screws, and the extras that typically come with your drones. So you do get another full set of propellers, a screw packet in case you lose a screw while changing. You do get the screwdriver, and then you get a USB to USB Type-C for charging. And of course you get this nice padded case as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to charge this up. We're going to put it in the sky. I'm going to shoot some footage of what you can expect to see from this little drone. And then while I'm flying it, I will go over all the specs and details to give you as much information as I can about this little drone. Alright, so this is my first flight, and the first thing you're going to notice is there is no actual like gimbal stabilization. The gimbal is solely used for tilting the camera up and down. But it does have electronic image stabilization. It does have 4K with a UHD camera, so it's really cool to have the gimbal with the 4K camera. You get reliable GPS. I did do a return to home, and it was within 3 feet of where I took off from, so the GPS positioning is quite reliable. You do also get the real-time FPV transmission to your phone, so while it is flying through the air, you can see on your phone what the drone sees while it's in the air. Now today was not the best day for flying this drone because it was quite windy, so I still think the image came out quite nice, but on a calmer day it would be even better. This is more of a torture test, so this is about as bad as it would be, but it will definitely get better on a calmer day. Now it is quite easy to fly. With that GPS positioning, it will hold position, so you don't have to constantly fight the wind or try to get it to stay in one position, because it will automatically do that on its own. It does have headless mode too, so away is always away from you. Return is always returned to you. So if you push up, it flies away. If you pull back, it comes back to you, and it doesn't matter how the drone is rotated. It does have the intelligent flight modes like follow me. It also has waypoint modes. It does have the smart return. So like the auto home, if you lose it, you don't know where it's at, you hit auto home, it will come back to you automatically. You do get quite a long flight time. You do, like I said, get 2 batteries. The batteries do run for 25 minutes apiece, so you will get 50 minutes. It is a very ultra compact design. So it is under 250 grams, so you don't have to register this. You do not have to get a permit. And overall, it's a nice little drone.